For more than 140 years, KNIPEX has been creating tools with one goal in mind, making their tools better, smarter, and easier to use. Because they focus on improving every detail and make each tool themselves, their tools last longer and get the job done better. So we've checked out all their latest tools and picked the best KNIPEX tools that will make plumbing and electrical work faster and way more efficient. All the mentioned tools links are in the description below. Number 20, KNIPEX Pliers Wrench. One of the most interesting tools on my list, and honestly one of my favorites, is the 7-inch pliers wrench from KNIPEX. If you haven't seen one before, think of it as an adjustable wrench, but way more powerful. It does everything a normal adjustable wrench can do, just better. The push button adjustment is amazing. You don't have to fumble with your thumb. You can open or close it in a snap. What I really love is that the jaws stay perfectly parallel, always aligned no matter what. Plus, the handles have a smart design. They expand when you open them and contract when you close them. Number 19, KNIPEX Forged Wire Stripper. This tool can cut screws sized 632 and 832 without threading, and you can cut from either the front or back. It has locating ridges that make it easy to find the stripping holes. It strips both solid and stranded wires from 10 to 20 AWG. The shear cutting blades provide 50% more cutting capacity than competitors while reducing cutting effort by 25%. It can handle cables, wires, NMB, BX, and MC with ease. Number 18, KNIPEX Stripping Knife. This ratcheting stripping knife is a super handy tool for anyone working with cables. Thanks to its ratchet function, cutting through different cable sheaths becomes really easy. The blade has 3 cutting sections, so you can handle both round cuts and lengthwise cuts. And a guide shoe keeps the conductor insulation safe. It can slice through tough plastic sheets up to 7 millimeters thick. The sickle-shaped hook blade folds safely for transport and has 4 positions. The handle is ergonomically designed for comfort, and there's a tether attachment point so you can connect it to the KNIPEX tethered tool system. Number 17, KNIPEX DT Crimping Pliers. If you need a crimper that can handle tricky DT, DTM, and DTP contacts, the KNIPEX crimper is the one to grab. It works with a wide range of wire sizes, from tiny 0.35 millimeters up to 3 millimeters. A smart 4-mandrel system that makes 8 consistent indentations every time, no matter the length of your contacts. Adjusting it for different jobs is easy, and thanks to the ratchet mechanism, you'll get high-quality crimps every single time without worrying about mistakes. Comfort is built in too. The handles are great to fit your hands perfectly. Number 16, KNIPEX Dismantling Tool. We're honestly surprised more people don't have the KNIPEX Dismantling Tool. We first discovered it while retrofitting lights in a warehouse full of tangled cables. It was a complete mess. Then we tried this tool, and it made everything so much easier, more efficient, and it's really affordable. It's compact enough to carry in our bag all the time, and it handles large cables or cords effortlessly. Just push it in, set the blade length, and go. No scratches, no nicks, and it works fast. Much safer than a utility knife, it makes stripping cables quicker and way simpler. Number 15, KNIPEX TwinGrip Pliers. Next, the KNIPEX TwinGrip Pliers are another favorite. They have a circular opening with teeth on the edge, which makes it easy to remove stripped screws, bolts, or nuts. Much better than using regular lineman's pliers. There are also teeth on the side, so you can use them like a Cobra wrench to grip, twist, or turn almost anything. The adjustable button lets you open them to different sizes and use 3 different functions. We use the 8-inch version, but there's also a 6-inch and 10-inch version with new comfort grip handles. Number 14, KNIPEX Cobra Water Pliers. This Cobra water pump pliers make gripping stuff super easy. Just put the top jaw on what you're working on, push the button, and close the bottom jaw. No more painful blisters thanks to the built-in pinch guard. The self-locking adjustment and tough gripping teeth hold tight so nothing slips and you don't have to squeeze like crazy. The jaws can grab anything, flat, round, hex, or square, and they help prevent nut burring so you don't mess up pipes, nuts, or bolts. Number 13, Knipex Tubix XL. His tool is a beast when it comes to cutting pipes, handling everything from tiny 6mm pipes up to a hefty 76mm. It has a handy quick lock feature that keeps it steady on the pipe, and the cutting action is super smooth thanks to its needle bearings. You can even cut thicker pipes over 2mm with ease. The cutting wheel is made from high quality steel and swaps out quickly when it wears down. Plus, there's an extra one hidden right in the handle. It even comes with a little tool to clean up pipe edges. Number 12, Knipex Cobolt cutters. These pliers have a spring built into the handles, which makes them easy to open and keeps them locked safely when you're carrying them. The blade has a small groove that helps cut thicker wires, like the ones you see holding up ceiling panels. You can also easily cut through things like small bolts, nails, or rivets without struggling. Thanks to the smart lever design, it takes much less effort to cut through tough materials. The cutting edges are extra tough, so they stay sharp and reliable even after lots of use. Number 11, Knipex StepCut. This clever tool uses an innovative StepCut design to separate and cut wires one by one, making the job about 40% easier than with regular shears. Despite being compact at just 6 1/4 inches, it's strong enough to handle multi-core stranded copper and aluminum cables, as well as single and multi-stranded wires up to 10 AWG. It's not designed for steel wire or hard-drawn copper, but its adjustable bolted joint ensures smooth and precise cutting. You can even use it with one hand, while the induction-hardened cutting edges guarantee long-lasting durability. Number 10. Knipex Super Nips. These pliers are perfect for really fine, detailed cutting work, like trimming small wires, cable ties, or tiny electronic parts. The cutting edges are super sharp and precisely ground, and the pliers are about 20% lighter than regular electronics pliers, so your hand won't get tired as quickly. They have a spring that helps them open smoothly and a built-in limiter to keep them safe. The joint is reinforced with a stainless steel rivet for durability. The cutting edges are extra tough, so they stay sharp longer, and they can handle soft wires up to about the thickness of a pencil lead and medium wires a little thicker. Number 9. Knipex NexStrip Multi-Tool. These crimping and stripping pliers make wiring work fast and accurate. They give a perfect, even square crimp on individual wire ferrules, and the ratchet mechanism makes sure every crimp has the right pressure. The stripping function automatically adjusts to the wire size, giving consistent lengths every time, which is especially handy when you're doing the same job repeatedly. The multi-component grips are comfy and non-slip, so your hands won't get tired. You can handle wires from tiny ones in electronics up to thicker wires used in home installations, and it even cuts wires cleanly up to 10 square millimeters. Number 8. Knipex PlastiCut. These pliers are designed for cutting thin-walled pipes and flexible hoses, like plastic conduit pipes or rubber hoses with fabric reinforcement up to about 1 inch in diameter. They're not meant for cutting regular cables, so keep that in mind. The tool has a handy spring that helps it open smoothly and a locking lever for safe storage. The blades are made from tough oil-hardened steel for long-lasting sharpness, and the body is made from strong, fiberglass reinforced plastic, making it durable yet lightweight for everyday use. Number 7. Knipex PlastiCut. This tool works with a wide range of wire sizes, making it easy to handle both fine wires and solid round cables. You get a solid grip and precise cuts thanks to its specially designed metal clamps and parabolic blade. The automatic depth adjustment adapts to different types of insulation, making repetitive jobs much easier. Plus, the adjustable length stop ensures accuracy every time. Its ergonomic design and replaceable blade cassette make it comfortable to use and built to last. Number 6. Knipex Twistor16. This tool is a top pick because it combines front and side crimping in one handy design, giving you maximum flexibility. The crimp head rotates a full 360 degrees and locks into 8 different positions, so you can work from almost any angle. It automatically adjusts to different wire diameters and makes crimping end sleeves easy and consistent, thanks to its built-in lock and toggle lever mechanism. With its lightweight but tough construction, it's perfect for both pros and DIYers. Number 5. Knipex ComStrip. Next up, we have a great entry-level wire stripper for anyone looking for a reliable and efficient tool. It can automatically strip solid, multi-stranded, and fine-stranded wires from 0.2 to 6 square millimeters without needing manual adjustments for different materials. It also includes a built-in cable cutter that handles solid wires up to 2.5 square millimeters and finely stranded wires up to 6 square millimeters. For repetitive tasks, the adjustable length stop ensures consistent, accurate stripping every time. The ergonomic 2-component handle with a soft grip allows you to work comfortably while transferring maximum force. Number 4. KNIPEX Needle Nose Pliers. These needle nose combination pliers are now available in a 7 1/4 inch size. They're perfect for tight spaces thanks to their slim head and pointed jaws that resist twisting. The gripping surfaces have a special curved design that gives a stable 3-point contact, making it easy to hold flat parts securely. The pipe gripping area is shaped asymmetrically, so you can grip round or hex-shaped parts firmly without slipping. A small groove in the jaws lets you hold tiny items like nails, pins, or bolts for easy pulling or twisting. Number 3. KNIPEX Diagonal Cutters. The diagonal cutters comes with comfort handles, are super tough and built to last. They cut through wires, including piano wire, with 20% less effort than regular cutters of the same size. The angled head makes it easier on your hands, and the sharp, hardened blades make cutting smooth and precise. Made from strong, forged steel, these cutters can handle heavy use without breaking a sweat. Also, the color-coded handles let you spot your tools easily and hook them up to tethered tool system if you want. Number 2. KNIPEX ErgoStrip. Next, the ErgoStrip PV is a great tool for anyone working with solar panels. It quickly and accurately strips PV cables 4 and 6 square millimeters like H1Z, 2Z, 2-K, as well as standard round and damp-proof cables. The ergonomic pistol grip makes cutting, stripping, and slicing the cable sheath really easy. A handy adjustable stop lets you set the stripping length from 6 to 18 millimeters, perfect for solar connectors. The slim tapered ends help reach tight spots, and it also works on single PVC wires with guides that make insertion simple. Number 1. KNIPEX Pipe Cutter. This tool can cut and shape all common household plastic drain pipes in one go, up to about 2 inches in diameter. The blade is made of strong steel with ball bearings, and you can swap it out quickly without any tools. It gives a clean cut every time, so you don't have to mess around with sanding or trimming, which helps avoid clogs or damage to pipe seals. It works on normal and high temperature plastic pipes of different sizes and thicknesses. Thanks to the sliding bearings and self-adjusting guide rolls, cutting is smooth and precise, so tell us in the comments which one you're planning to buy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos.